In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted apps from Android phone. So, for doing that, we have to open the Play Store application and then we have to tap on the Google account menu at the top right corner, and then we have to tap or open the Manage Apps and Device option. And here we have to tap on the Manage at the top, and then we have to navigate to the green drop down menu at the top left of the screen and tap it. And after tapping that, we can see there are two options, installed and not installed option. We have to tap on the not installed option at the below, and here we can see the uninstalled apps that we have uninstalled, and you have to choose the one that you want to reinstall and then tap on the checkbox, and after that just tap on the download option at the top, and this will reinstall the app for us. And here is how you can recover deleted apps from Android phone. Thank you.